Hello friends, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting recipe with chicken. And I named it as chips and chicken. All the ingredient list is given in the description box. Please check it out. Add the boneless chicken. Add in salt, ginger and garlic paste, garam masala, pepper powder, lime juice, red chili powder, soy sauce, and red chili sauce. Now mix everything really well. Now add in all-purpose flour or Maida. Add in corn flour and mix it. Now take each chicken pieces, place it in between a potato slice and secure it with a toothpick. As you can see, I have dipped these potato slices in water and also the toothpicks. Or when you fry them in oil, the toothpick will break into pieces. Arrange all the chicken pieces like this. Now heat some oil in a pan and start frying the chips and chicken. Fry them till it turns golden brown and the chips turns crispy. And fry all the chicken pieces like this. Our delicious snack, chips and chicken, is ready. It's perfect for an evening snack or a party starter. So definitely try this recipe at home. And follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications. You can watch more interesting recipe videos from our channel Grey Pot. Thanks for watching.